let's look at the possibility of sells on Cadchf. So first things first, what I want to highlight is again the overall direction. Now, I don't know if you agree or not, but I would be really confused if you don't. I would say that CAD-CHF is bearish. Now, why is that important? I believe that it is better to go with the direction of the overall momentum than it is to try to catch the falling knife and try to pick the low or high. Now, based on what I'm seeing here, I am seeing where the Cadchf is trying to fight against all of these bulls coming in here. But I'm also of the assumption that in a bear market, which this asset is in, a bull move is an induction. In other words, the dealer is trying to get the masses, not just retail traders, but even institutions are involved in this. The dealer is trying to get traders to buy here. Now, here's what I would include in this analysis for you as well. I would also include the highest point I think this asset can get to before it continues to drop. I do believe it dropping is more possible than it actually buying from this point. And where I would see is from this point onward, I would say this is the highest point it could go before it drops. If it gets past this, then sells are off the table, right? But anywhere in here, in my opinion, you could probably look for sells. You just use your stop loss accordingly. You adjust your risk accordingly. And yeah, the idea is, again, to just follow the overall momentum. So yeah, let me know what you think.